It's really no wonder that people do come to study art to the Eternal City. The amount of inspiration you will get here, it's just, you can't compare it to anything else. The museums that we visited in the context of this program are just the major museums. We've been to the Vatican, we've seen all the Berninis in the churches in Villa Borghese, we've been to Palazzo Venezia to see the little bozzetti, little preparatory terracottas of Bernini's work and of many other amazing artists. And just looking at that and seeing it so closely really gives you a lot of ideas, a lot of inspiration, just watching how the old masters dealt with the same problems that we're dealing now as figurative sculptors. Yeah, this is the city to come if you wanna dive deep into art history and just soak in this artistic atmosphere and also meet a lot of amazing people. I think that Rome Art Residencies is the place to come if you wanna not only study art, study painting or sculpture, but also if you wanna be inspired and get closer to the techniques of the old masters. Hey, I'm Alexandra Slava. I'm a contemporary figurative sculptor. And I've been invited to be the first resident artist at Rome Art Residencies, and it's been a great pleasure and honor for me to work alongside the amazing sculptor and educator Brian Booth Craig and all other students. And this experience has given me so much. I've observed how Brian works and got a lot of tips for my own artistic practice, and I'm really looking forward to our future collaboration, and we'll see what happens.